Hello everyone! Welcome to a new weekly vlog from me. Hello everyone, happy Friday. I thought I would vlog my weekend and show you what I'm up to. I'm doing a few things today and it's really exciting, so I thought, you know what, I'll pick up the camera and do some vlogging for once. As you saw, I just got ready, so I filmed that for once, had lunch, and I'm gonna be productive and get some filming done here in my room before I head off. So you'll see all the things I have to do today. So right now I need to set up my backdrop right here, and I'm going to film a unboxing for my TikTok, a vinyl unboxing, and then a dress unboxing for my Instagram. I have this package, my Shishi London dress. So this is a PR package. They send me dresses, so that's fun. And then we have my vinyl in here from Urban Outfitters, so we're gonna open that on my TikTok as well. So it's a little backlit, but this is going to be my setup to unbox my vinyl. So I think you can guess which vinyl I'm unboxing. I'm going to be opening up the Up All Night vinyl that I got a couple months ago, and it finally shipped out and arrived. So my One Direction wall will be complete, which is fun. So I have this giant box to open and I can't wait for that. So I'll leave my TikTok down below if you want to see me opening that up on there, but it's probably gonna go out. I have TikToks filmed for the next 2 weeks, so yeah, I don't know when it's gonna go out. Let's turn this way so it's more bright. So yeah, those are my plans for today. I want to film those two Instagram and TikTok videos, and those are some of the dresses that I got from the first time that company sent me dresses. And then these are from Shein. I just wore this one the other day, so I have to put it back in my closet. Filmed the unboxing for this, and I can't believe that I have all of One Direction's discography. I was such a big Directioner back then. It's so weird because I'm the same age as Harry, Niall, and Zayn, and Liam, I think. I'm not the same age as Louis, but that's so wild that that album came out in 2011. I was a freshman in college when that came out. I can't believe it. Like, that seems so long ago that I was just a little freshman in college. But as I was explaining in my TikTok, I dress up as the album covers, or like match the album covers when I unbox things, and sometimes I match it perfectly. I did for like the Little Mix ones. I dressed in the exact same thing they did. That one was fun. But for this one, I wore what I wore back then in 2011. So I went to a private college and we had a school uniform, so I couldn't like dress like how I wanted to. And to fit in back then, I wore t-shirt and leggings and a hoodie because I was very insecure with my body, so I wore a hoodie all the time to bundle myself up. I hated that I had a big butt and curves, and like I was big, and I hated that about myself. So I wore a hoodie to like suck me in and like hide all of my imperfections, which as I look back on it now, I shouldn't have done that. I should have been more body confident. Now I don't really mind. Like, I can wear whatever I want. I should really take this hoodie off because it's like getting hot, and I think this hoodie is from 2011. Like, I think I wore it in college. Like, these were my college hoodies, so very authentic that I still have it. I think me and my cousin have like a matching one. His is black, mine was white. And yeah, that's fun that we have that. And I'm just blabbering so much, but I love One Direction, and I was such a huge Directioner. I'm seeing Harry in concert for the first time in November, which is fun. And I was supposed to go see One Direction in 2015, their first show without Zayn after I don't know if they announced that he was leaving the band before or after the concert. I forgot, but I still remember where I was when he left the band. And yeah, I love that I have this and my vinyl wall, so I put all of the boys up there as well, the solo albums. I'm waiting on Zayn's solo album, then I'll complete the solo discography as well as One Direction's discography. So yay! I'm so happy about that. So yeah, I'm going to, I guess, put this in its protective sleeve and stuff so it gets protected, and I guess I have to film a few more TikToks and a reading vlog, and then I'm going out to Target with my dad to pick up some groceries and maybe pass by TJmaxx on the way because I saw they had Halloween decorations. And I know it's July, but I am going to decorate my whole entire room with pumpkins. Mark my word, I will. So that is me. Hope I explained a lot, and I had to fangirl about my One Direction days and being a Directioner. And okay, I'm gonna go now. I just filmed my summer reading vlog intro, so I have my summer stack here on my bed, put away some of my packages. I don't even know if I can even get to opening this up on camera today because I have to change out of this outfit, put on another one, and head out because it is getting late. So I should stop vlogging and continue what I'm doing. Changed my outfit, changed my bag. I was gonna go with an all purple look, but I can't find my purple phone case, so I have to stick with my hot pink one, and I destroyed my room looking for my purple phone case. So let's go head off to Target, shall we? Have them the other day. I found them. I got my pumpkin pillow from TJmaxx, so that is what I intended to go in for, and I got it, and I also got a 4th of July thing for next year. So yay, that was my shopping. Sunday, so it is now haul time. I will show you everything that I purchased in this vlog. You already saw a preview of my shopping adventure. Let me show you what I bought. I'm gonna start off with TJmaxx first because that is the first place I went to. And actually I went back yesterday and got one more thing because I had to go there for groceries. The grocery store is next door, and I forgot a few things. I had to go back the next day, and I thought I would go back and see if they had the other pumpkin pillow. I was going to get two, but sadly it was gone, and I'm looking for like 2 different pumpkin pillows from Marshalls and TJmaxx. So yeah, I picked up something else from there, and it was hiding in the pillow section. That's the only reason I found it. I guess someone was hiding it to come back for later, but I snatched it up. So let me just show you everything that I got from TJ Maxx. First off is the pumpkin pillow. So you saw I was so excited that I finally got this. So I think there is 3 pumpkin pillows that are like viral on TikTok at the moment. I want to find all of them. I have a nostalgia thing with pumpkin pillows. I'll do a whole vlog about pumpkin pillows, don't worry. But I picked this guy up. I was so excited. I'm super happy that I found one in store. So that is gonna go on my bed during fall, and that's so cute, and it's pretty big too. So got this jack-o'-lantern pumpkin pillow, and I'm super excited about it. So that was the first thing that I picked up. Got a 4th of July decoration. Even though 4th of July was the beginning of the month, I still got this to hang next year. So I'll put it with all my 4th of July decorations. I don't know if I'm gonna put this on my bed or what. It's a pom-pom garland, and it was only $5 because it was like discounted because 4th of July was over and they were putting out new stock. So yeah, it's just a red, white, and blue pom-pom like felt garland that I can put up either on my dresser, bookcase, bed. I don't know, I'll find a place to hang it. But yeah, I'm super excited that I got that for a really good price. Let me get the boring purchase out of the way. I need a new shower curtain because mine broke. I got mine when I first moved in. It's very cheap from the 99-cent store. It was pretty, but it's all ripped up and I need to replace it, so I got just a plain white one until I find a cute one. So this one is a weighted bottom because it's always blowing on me. So yeah, I just got a plain white shower curtain, and I'm gonna have my dad help me put this up in our shower tonight. And lastly, this is the thing that I went back for while I was just looking around for the pumpkin pillow. Maybe they got another one in stock, or I was gonna get the duplicate of my other one. But I got this cute like pumpkin garland. I thought that was so cute. So it's orange and cream pumpkins, and it will match my room perfectly. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it like on my dresser, like hang it like that, or my bookcase, or hang it on like my bed rail right there, headboard or footboard, I'm not sure, but I have a lot of possibilities to hang this up. So I got that, and it was super affordable, and as I said, it was hiding, so I snatched it up. I was looking for the just plain orange one, but orange and cream, I can make that work. So I got that, and that was the last thing that I got at TJ Maxx. Quite a good haul, a lot of pumpkins because I'm just obsessed with pumpkins, and I need to stop myself or I'm gonna be like buried in pumpkins in this room. Next up, I went to Target, did a bit of book shopping, vinyl shopping. I only picked up a few books though. They were already on my wish list, so I decided I'll just pick them up there. So yeah, you'll probably see another book haul because I ordered a few more books, so I just picked up 2 in person. I just don't like the Target like stickers, but I like picking books up in person, so I have to compromise. So I just got these 2, Every Summer After by Carly Fortune and Funny You Should Ask by Elisa Sussman. You'll see these in my haul, so I'll explain more then, but they sounded interesting. I want to read this before summer ends, and I don't know if this is quite a summery book. I'll hold off a little bit, but just pick those 2 up. They were on sale, so that's great when I can get books on sale. Then the last few things that I got, I picked these up first in the not dollar section, what do you call it now, Bullseye Playground. So I've been looking for this thing in particular. I saw it on TikTok. It comes in a few different colors. I just found the clear one. So yeah, I'm gonna put lights in here. I'll have to show you what this looks like. I have like these star battery operated lights that I'm gonna put in here. I'll put an overlay of what I'm talking about. But yes, I got this house because of Harry's house. I thought I would put it next to the vinyl, and I thought that was just so cute. So it's just a clear house, and yeah, I just thought that was so fun, and it can be used on like year-round, not just a different occasion like fall or spring. It can be used year-round. So yeah, I got my little Harry's house, as I've been calling it. So that is fun. Finally found it. Thank goodness it was the last one. And then I got these 2 things. The other one is beside me, but I got these two like gold bookends, or they're just like little decorations that I can put on my bookshelf. So I have one, two, so I can like put them on either side of books for my bookcase, and I thought that was so fun. And they had like a camera one. I might go back for the camera one if it's still around, but got that. And then last thing that I got is this ceramic J. You know me, I love collecting my initials. Unfortunately, they did not have a Q. I searched it all the letters, they only had O. I would have gotten a Q if they did, but yeah, this is a cute little vase. I have like tiny sunflowers that I thought could like go well with this. I'll put them in and show you an overlay as well, next to like my lit up house and my Harry Styles vinyl. So I thought that was so cute, and again, it can be used year round and not just for different seasons, because that's what I usually buy decorations for, different seasons. But I've been starting to buy stuff for year-round purposes, so got that, and it was only $1 because it's super tiny. It's super cute though, it like sits really well. And yeah, that was the last thing that I got at Target. I think that is it. I have to film a few TikToks, so I'm gonna go now. I hope you enjoyed watching my weekend shopping vlog. Please let me know if you want to see more of these. Give that thumbs up so I know. And I think that is it. I will link everything that I can down below in the description for you to check out, as well as all my social medias. I hope you have a fabulous day. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!
No one can do it like you.